Hello everyone, today I'll be presenting to you the BLK360 Generation 2, distributed by GeoMax, with its application from the field to the office with XPath Office Fusion. The BLK360 G2 is the smallest, lightest and faster laser scanner on the market and easily transportable even in a small backpack. Its dimensions are 8 by 50.5 cm for a weight of 0.85 kilos. It can acquire 680,000 points per second with a range from 0.5 up to 45 meters, going from a minimum resolution for a single scan of 50 mm at 10 meters, recorded in 7 seconds, up to a resolution of 6 mm at 10 meters in 1 minute and 15 seconds. We can use the BLK360 G2 directly from the single button once the instrument is started, or using one of the two practical applications, BLK Live or Cyclone Field, that we will see in the next videos. The data can then be integrated into the XPath Office Fusion Office software. Also very important is the VIS, the Visual Inertial System, which, thanks to the inertial platform, it recognizes the movement of the BLK360 between scan and automatically calculates its position. Once the VIS option has been activated, this function is active whenever we work from the single button up to the field application. Let's turn it on and let's go.